In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ClickUp out-of-memory error by deleting unused spaces and tasks to free up space and improve performance. This issue usually happens when your ClickUp workspace gets overloaded with too many tasks, lists, or spaces, especially if they haven't been cleaned up in a long time. The good news is, you can fix this pretty quickly once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your ClickUp account and open the workspace where you're seeing the out-of-memory error. Once you're inside, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where all of your spaces, folders, and lists live. The goal here is to remove anything you're no longer actively using. Start by reviewing your spaces. If you see a space that's no longer relevant, maybe it was for an old project or a completed client, right-click on that space. From the menu, click Delete Space. ClickUp will warn you that this action is permanent, so double-check that you truly don't need it anymore. Then confirm the deletion. Removing unused spaces can instantly free up a large amount of memory. Next, move on to cleaning up tasks. Even if you want to keep a space, old tasks can still take up resources. Click into a space you want to keep, then open each list and review the tasks inside. Sort your tasks by status so you can quickly find completed or outdated ones. Select tasks you no longer need by clicking the checkbox next to each task. Once selected, right-click and choose Delete, or use the Delete option in the task menu. If you have a lot of tasks to remove, you can select multiple tasks at once to speed things up. Repeat this process for other lists and folders in your workspace. Another helpful tip is to archive instead of delete if you're unsure. Archiving still reduces clutter and memory usage without permanently removing data. To do this, right-click on a list or folder and choose Archive. You can always restore it later if needed. After you've deleted or archived unnecessary spaces and tasks, refresh your browser or restart the ClickUp app. In most cases, the out-of-memory error will be resolved immediately, and you'll notice smoother performance overall. If you're still experiencing issues, make it a habit to clean up your workspace regularly so memory doesn't build up again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the ClickUp out-of-memory error by deleting unused spaces and tasks to create more space. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.